All right, I just reassembled the engine after splitting the case and putting it all back together. As I rotated, it was making a clicking sound. Once I put the chain tensioners in, that helped a ton, but we're still gonna hear it a little bit when the top dead center reaches a couple different points here, here, and here. So here's top dead center. Listen for this. Let me know if this is regular here. Okay, there's one very small click there. Let's go back and see if we can hear that again. Yeah, it was very small. I'll just rotate through and let me know if any of the clicking sound you hear is okay at this point. That. Anyways, would love to know if that's something I need to address before I try to put the bike all back together, or if that's pretty normal. Thanks.